Tonight's yoga flow is all about letting go of anxiety. It is a calming practice for the nights when your mind feels busy, your body feels tense, or stress feels like too much. You can return to this practice before bed or anytime you need to come back to calm. So tonight, we'll move slowly, we'll breathe deeply, and we'll let the body remember what true peace feels like. Begin standing in the center of your mat, feet hip-width apart, arms by your sides. Take a slow inhale through the nose for 4. Hold for 7, only if that feels good tonight. Exhale for 8. Inhale 4. Hold 7. Exhale 8. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. One more round. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. On your next inhale, sweep your arms overhead and interlace the fingers. Turn the palms up and lengthen through both sides of the waist. Stay here with the heels down or rise onto the toes for palm tree. Keep that length as you exhale and lean gently to the left for a side bend. Breathe into the right side. Inhale back to center. Release the hands. Step your feet wide. Turn the toes out and slowly lower into goddess pose. Arms can be at shoulder height, prayer, or reaching up. Stay a little higher if that feels better in your body. Inhale, straighten both legs and stretch your arms wide for 5-pointed star. Feel the steadiness and openness in your body. Now turn your left toes out and the right foot in slightly. Reach long through the left arm. Exhale and hinge over to the left leg for triangle. Right arm reaches up or keep the top hand on the hip. Rest the left hand on the shin, a block, or the floor. Turn the back foot in and fold from the hips. Hands can be in prayer or on the floor. Bend into your left knee. Bring the hands down and lower the right knee to the mat for low lunge. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, rest your hands on the knee. Hands down and turn your right leg onto your heel. Left leg stays bent and your arms can be on the floor for support. Breathe into the stretch. Inhale and exhale. Come through center into Malasana. Feet wide, toes turned out. Hips low or lifted. Hands can come to prayer or stay on the floor, or you can sit on a block, whatever feels right. Extend your left leg and shift over to the right for Skandasana on the other side. Keep your hands down if you need balance. Turn towards the right leg and lower the left knee down for low lunge. Inhale, arms rise overhead. Exhale, hands stay on the front thigh. Breathe into the front of the left hip. Extend your legs and fold forward as much as feels comfortable. Arms out at shoulder height, foot facing front, and place the right hand to the shin or the floor. Press into your feet and rise all the way up. Your toes are facing forward, arms out at shoulder height. Inhale, arms reaching towards the sky and sink back into goddess pose. Stay high or lower a bit more. Inhale, exhale. Straighten your legs and step the feet together, arms overhead, while interlacing the fingers once more. Inhale, exhale, and lean gently to the right for your final side bend. Inhale back to center. Grow tall through palm tree. Heels can stay grounded or lifted. Release the arms down by your sides and return to mountain pose. Notice your body. Notice your mind. What is the difference between the beginning of the practice and the now? Is anxiety still present, or has it completely dissolved? Just sit with it for a second. If anxiety is still here in your body and mind, then click on this video to deepen your practice and come back to calm even more. Otherwise, I want you to take a moment to thank yourself for showing up to your mat today, for taking the time to care for your body and mind, for your nervous system. If you like this practice, then it would be a pleasure to me if you liked, subscribed, and share a lovely comment in the comment section. Thank you. I will see you soon. Namaste.